Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about on how to plot with the application of set and drift. In this topic, we're going to find the CMG, course made good, and SMG, speed made good. So we have our example. At 0800 hours, MV Sabando's current position was latitude 45 degrees 20 minutes north, longitude 122 degrees 20 minutes east. So for example, if we have a chart, we're going to find the latitude. For example, the latitude was here, then the longitude was found here. So this will be our current position at 0800 hours. So first things first, in order for us to apply the set and drift, we need to find the DR position or our dead reckoning. So the course of our ship, 180 degrees true north. We're going to put this in the compass row. Then we're going to drag this into our current ship's position. So this is our course currently. Then we're going to find the distance. To find the distance, we're gonna use the 20 knots rather, and the 30 minutes our time. So to find this, we're going to have the formula of distance is equals to speed times time. Our speed is 20 knots. 20 knots or 20 nautical mile per hour. Multiply this by the time, 30 minutes. So if we convert this, so 30 minutes over times 1 hour over 60 minutes. So 30 times 1 divided by 60, cancel this, and we will come up with 0.5 hour. And this will be our time. After 30 minutes is equals to 0.5 hours. We're going to use this in our formula. So 0.5 hour. So after this, we're going to cancel both hours. Then we will have 10 nautical miles. This will be our distance. So 10 nautical miles. We need to grab our compass divider. Then 10 nautical miles, we're going to put this in here. So for example, this is our compass, our scale. So we're going to drag this 10 nautical miles, and we'll put this in our position at 0800, and we're going to put this in our course. So for example, this is our DR. This is our dead reckoning. So after we find our dead reckoning at 30 minutes or 0830 hours, we're going to apply the set and drift. So the set is 090 degrees true north, which is here. We're gonna put this in the compass rows and drag this until our DR position. So we're gonna apply the set. So this is our set. So we still don't know what's the distance of our set. So we're going to find again the distance using the set and drift, using the formula. So distance is equals to speed times time. Our distance is equals to speed, which is the speed of the set, 5 knots. 5 knots is equals to 5 nautical mile per hour. Multiply by our time, still 30 minutes or 0.5 hours. So cancel both hours, and we will have value of 5 times 0.5, which is 2.5 nautical miles. So next, using these 2.5 miles, we'll put this in our scale. So after we measure the 2.5, we're going to put this from here, the DR positions and the set. So for example, the 2.5 was found here. This is the 2.5. So from here, we're going to connect the initial position, our position at 0800 hours until the 2.5 nautical miles, which is here. So we're gonna connect this. So this will be, this line will represent our CMG, or the course made good. So the drift, this will be the mark, and this will be the mark. So we're going to measure this from the initial position to our line here. We will going to measure this and put this into scale. So for example, our answer is, the distance from here to here is, for example, 12.5 nautical miles. This is the distance from here and here after we put this in the scale. So we're going to find first our CMG. We're going to put our ruler here and drag this to our compass rose. So for example, our CMG is 140. So we have CMG of 140 degrees true north. This is our course made good. Then we're going to find the speed made good using the formula. Speed is equals to distance divided by time. So speed is equals to distance, which is 12.5 nautical miles. Then divide this by our time, which is 30 minutes still, or equal to 0.5 hours. And the answer is 12.5 divided by 5. So to find again our speed made good, we're going to use this formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So speed, distance, 12.5 nautical miles. 12.5 nautical miles divided by our time, still 30 minutes or 0.5 hours. So 12.5 nautical miles divided by 0.5 hours is equals to 25 nautical mile per hour, or 25 knots. So this will be our speed made good. So once again, for our recap, first, to find our CMG and SMG, we must first find our DR. To find the DR, we're going to use this formula. So distance equals speed times time. So speed, the speed of our ship, 20 knots, will be multiplied by the time, 30 minutes, or equals to 0.5 hours. So we will come up with 10 nautical miles. This is the distance from our current position and to our estimated position, 10 nautical miles. We will put this in our scale and put this in our course starting from our current position. So this will be our dead reckoning position, or DR. Next, we're going to apply the set and drift. So the set is 090 degrees. 090, then we will drag this here. So this is 090 degrees. Then to find the distance of this, we're going to use again the formula of DST. So, distance, speed, the 5 knots, this is the drift, the speed of the current, multiplied by time, still 30 minutes, or 0.5 hours. So, the answer is 2.5 nautical miles. 2.5, drag in the scale. After finding 2.5, put this in the DR position along with the set, 090 degrees. Then, at the end, connect the end to the position at 0800 hours. Then, measure the distance from the position at 0800 hours until the end of the sudden drift. So, after this, we measured 12.5 from the scale. Then, we're going to find the CMG. Put a ruler here and drag to the compass rose. Then, we come up with 140 degrees true north. After this, we're going to find the speed made good using the formula. Speed is equal to distance times the speed is equal to distance divided by time. So, speed is equal to 12.5 nautical miles divided by time, still 30 minutes, or 0.5 hours. So, the answer is 25 nautical mile per hour, or 25 knots. So, this will be our CMG and SMG. Once again, thank you.